What's up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you everyday celebrity gossip entertainment. Now, if you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Today we are talking about Ulasizwe Dambuza. So guys, Ulasizwe Dambuza posted this beautiful picture of him in a nice frontal ponytail, as in with makeup and just looking all chic and all, and then he said that he didn't realize how beautiful this hairstyle suits him and all, and he just posted pictures of him in this hairstyle. But then people from South Africa, no guys, no. When will this stop? When will we stop begging celebrities for money? And sometimes others are begging even clothes. Guys, why? Why? If pressure frontal will get people in trouble. I know but guys, we are just too much. So when you want him to give you his frontal, do you not think now you're eating it because he likes it? He also bought it because he wants it. So if he gives it to you, no guys, this pressure of frontals, no. People in the comment section were just buzzing. Okay, others were saying beautiful and whatnot, but people were begging. Mantomazana, look at this one. Goodness Jones says, can I please have 1 week, and then puts on a sad emoji. What about this, Jima? Your dignity. And this one also, Lindo Kutle Perseverance said, can I have one please? Undipe A1. This is Gigi Azande. How guys? It's really I've always wanted a frontal and whatnot. Guys, No, that's all I have for today. Please make sure that you subscribe and let us stop begging celebrities for money.